Welcome to the Legen-Dairy Food Wars.
Yeah, but I love this. I got all the melty cheese crust stuff.
I'm really excited to be eating today. I usually love food that are very garlicky.
I like a blend of diverse flavors.
I will say I will enjoy anything that's richer food, fattier food. I love fatty food. Ooh.
Nice one.
Ooh, all right. Thank you.
You have more melty stuff.
When I bit into it, that sharp cheese is one of my favorite kind of cheesy tastes in a grilled cheese sandwich. The cheese is shiny from its looks to its taste, Max.
It feels very familiar. I like everything about this so far. Crispy on the outside, and then it's nice and gooey on the inside.
I don't know if you can hear that. The bread is so crunchy outside.
One of the best things about this, I think, is how some of the cheese has melted over the bread. This cheese really works well with a sandwich. What brand is this cheese?
It's Amber.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I have the same thing in my house. Yeah.
It's so pretty. Yeah, that gloss.
I like the crunchiness, I like the tartness of the mustard, and that cheese just kind of puts everything together. I like this one a lot.
I can taste everything, but then at the same time, it's separately. Like I can taste everything at once and then taste all of them at the same time, how like a symphony in my mouth kind of feeling.
So the first thing that caught my eye with this one was it was so glossy, so appetizing again. But other than that, it's not your typical grilled cheese. Parang this grilled cheese was a little more fresh tasting. Parang perfect siya for like a picnic or something. It's a lot more complex than your usual grilled cheese, but I think that's what makes it special. Audience impact 10. Back.
Fire, like the emoji, fire.
Yeah, so good.
I almost don't want to take a bite. It just looks so good.
Is that cheese inside and outside?
Wow, wow. The cheese is really, really good. It shines through.
This is like 10 times, no 100 times even yummier than the last two.
And I love the fire. So cheesy.
Cheese on cheese, cheese everything.
Yeah.
If
This is
we
my
were to
favorite.
rank it, quick answer, number 1.
Yeah, number 1 this. Number 2, Martha Stewart's.
Same,
Number
same.
3, Kylie Jenner's. I can't stop eating
I know,
this
the
hard
little bit.
cheese.
This is
Yeah,
fun.
yeah.
This
This is
part.
the
It is fun.
This is fun and
No.
it tastes good. This one's my number 1, Jamie Oliver's. Kylie would be my second. And then Martha Stewart's.
And I'm not even sure if it's the recipe or because we're using such good cheese. So,
Yeah.
I don't know if I would use the same recipe but use a different cheese, if it'd have the same taste or impact. I mean,
Exactly.
perfect choice.
You need good
Perfect
cheese.
choice. Bravo, chefs.
Yes, chefs.
here.
Thank you. Yeah, so this is super fun. I enjoyed this a lot.
I'm having a lot of fun. I'm eating food, talking about food with friends. If there's something like this happening again, please sign me up. And
Yeah, where do I sign up for weekly food tasting? Make me a lifetime member.
There's a subscription service.
Of
you
the
can-
Legen-Dairy
Yeah.
Food Wars.
Right? Yeah, exactly.